Alright y'all, this is probably gonna be the shortest video that I've ever posted. But anyway, got this F150, 05 F150. Bought it for a flip. So, you see the seats, nice and stained. Gonna start off, Terminator, P&S Terminator. Spray everything down. Everything nice and sprayed. We'll let that soak for a minute and we'll come back. Alright, second step, P&S carpet bomb. Step 2, spray it down. Everything sprayed down real nice. Alright, right back with step 3. Back to step 3, and as you can see, I haven't even started to agitate the surface of these seats, and it looks totally different already. So what I'm going to do is take my drill on my brush on my drill, and we'll start to agitate these things. Take our time, go around. Let our brush do the magic. Quickly agitate everything. We're not trying to completely get rid of the stains with the brush. We just want to agitate it, loosen all the stains up. And from there, right back with the final step. Okay, on my final step for these seats, I take a wash mitt with a little bit of Dawn dish detergent in it. You don't want it soaking wet. You want to get it nice and damp and wring it out. And then you come through, and we're gonna rub all these stains out. Now remember, we're not trying to clean, we're not trying to soak the fabric because we don't want anything coming up from the cushion below the fabric. We're literally trying to clean the surface of the seat. Because if we start soaking it and getting the foam wet, then we're creating way more work for ourselves. So we rub these stains, rub the surface of the seat, damp wash mitt or microfiber towel. Use a little bit of Dawn dish detergent in it to help break up the grease or any of the stains that's in it. And as you can see already, it's like night and day. See, it's like night and day. Not a lot of effort. So I'm gonna finish up this entire seat, and I'll come back to shoot the end result. There it is, final result. Better than before. Definitely stain free.